Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing a sharp image. You want detail, not pixelation. Pick a photo at or above your phone's native resolution that preserves crispness when set. Once done, decide whether you'll use a live photo or a still, and whether it's for lock, home, or both. Open Photos and tap Edit, or launch a Wallpaper app to crop to aspect ratio. This first step prevents blurry results and saves time later because you already matched size and composition. Now you refine the image so it reads well behind icons and widgets. Use the crop tool to set the aspect ratio and center your subject, leaving breathing space near the edges. Then adjust exposure, contrast, and sharpness. Small tweaks improve legibility without overprocessing. If using iOS features, toggle perspective zoom to see how parallax affects composition. Make sure to preview both lock and home screens. Because icons and time, you're ready to set it. Tap Share and choose Use as Wallpaper, then pick Lock, Home, or both. Position the image one last time, confirm whether you want perspective zoom or a still, and tap Set. After applying, lock and unlock to verify composition, time readability, and whether widgets or icons overlap important areas. If a live photo is used, confirm the motion looks right. If something looks off, try the troubleshooting step below to fix common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.